In this live stream, I'll be creating a custom color profile for easyeda with the color service or color tool coolers.co. Not sure if I pronounced that right. So let's go. So this service is probably mainly used for web designers to help generate colors to use, or colors that match well together. So there's like a science behind choosing colors, and services like coolers.co can help out with this. If you do a search for color palettes, you'll find a bunch of these services like Color Hunt, and it will help you find colors that go well together. I've also pulled out Afterglow, which is one of the most popular color schemes for a Sublime text editor, to just see how they use colors. So first, let's just check out this screenshot here. So they use a somewhat dark theme, and you see the text that needs to stand out have a contrasty color. So for example, parse XML here, or the orange color or the green color makes it pop out and kind of be recognized quite easy. And then you have comments like this cross-browser XML parsing, which is in a more lighter color, so it doesn't steal so much attention. So we're going to create our own. So what I would like to do is to use some inspiration from the Afterglow. I want to create like a brown theme that has probably not as intense contrast color as these. And then we'll be looking at easyeda to see what kind of controls do you have over the different color styles. So not color styles, but color categories. That's probably a better word. So this is just something I made in order to create the screenshot. This is actually a Trinamic motor driver that I'm working on. Let's dive into this. So we obviously see something pretty fast here, and that is that here I'm basically using 4 colors or something here. So first, let's maybe we could open the same in another window, and then we can look at it at the settings at the same time. Okay, let's open this here, and then we go to View, Theme Settings. So here you see you have a background, which is obviously the background color. Grid, which is the color of the background grid. Selection highlights, you see that is green. If I go over to this, you see that everything turns green and that I highlight. And then you have the wire, and you have buses, bus entry, net label port. Everything here is just almost the same color. So I'm going to do it a bit differently for this. So first of all, let's go over to colors. The way this works is that you click Start Generator, and you'll get a sample palette. And if you hit space like this, it's going to generate 4 or 5 new colors. So let's try to find like a nice semi-dark brown color. Okay, so here's the first brown color, and you can actually also click here to get different shades of this color. And let's say I want something like, let's try this. Now I can hit the lock here. And what color should I get next? Well, I would like to get the next type of color, like the color for the grid, which in the Afterglow design is pretty similar to comments. So nothing that really stands out a lot. So let's grab another color. So now that I have locked that, the other colors adapt to the first color. Okay. Let's see if we can find. Okay, that's a bit too high of a contrast. Let's see the contrasts that so it basically selects or gives us 4 new colors, which are not very related to the other color, the brown one. So we could probably copy this. Let's say if we can, yeah, I can actually put this in here. Now why would I do that? Well, I can go and select a different shade. So I can do it like this. Okay, let's just try these 2 colors. Copy hex color, and I'll go over to here, and I will go to theme settings, select the brown color. Now this is a bit annoying. So when I start to move this, it selects the color. However, something I figured out, if I click this editable field and then hit Control V, okay, so it lost the square bracket, or maybe it never had it. And now, you see, it just changes to something else because it has this auto select feature. So it must be some kind of bug or something. Okay, now let's find the color for the grid, which is umber. I wonder who comes up with all these names. Okay, let's do one click. Then I'll move the mouse outside the box, Control A and Control V. And I'll just move with the cursor. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, it pretty much looks a bit the same because I had already done that. So yeah, I'm quite satisfied with this. Now, are there any other things which should have the same color? So something that is not that important, something that it's okay that you can just look at it when you need to find like details. And I'm thinking pin numbers. Let's see if there is a setting for pin numbers. Okay, pin. Let's see. Okay, let's click the window again. Let's try to hit enter. Yeah, enter works. Okay, so yeah, it wasn't the pin numbers, it was the actual pins. Okay, maybe pin or the numbers goes under the name of text, I bet. Let's try that. No, it doesn't. Okay, then maybe it's part of the net name or net, let's see, net label port. Okay, I guess this is the right one. No, it's not. Okay, next one. Theme setting, net flag. Okay, that's the flag. But that's actually a good thing because I would like to have the numerical values to be light and not necessarily the net names, because I think the net names are a bit important. We'll just leave it at this and we'll just change it back later. So what's left now? Oh, it says number. I'm pretty blind there. Okay, that's it. So how many colors should I use for this? Well, I think that we need to have a color for the wire, and we need to have a color for the text descriptions or the net names. And let's see if we can come up with something new here. Let's lock this color here, and then we'll find something that works well with this. So now I would like to have some contrast colors, which is maybe yellow or orange or something like that. Okay. But yeah, okay, let's try the Palais Spring Bud color. Theme, settings, and let's select the wire. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, is that too much of a contrast, or is it not? Yeah, I think it's a bit too much, a bit too light. Let's unlock this and then hit space a bit more. Okay, let's just try this one. See, it's a bit darker and it should make a bit of a less contrast. Nope. Okay. Let's continue, hit space bar a few times and see if we can find something. Okay. No, 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 no. Okay. This looks decent. Let's go FAC fad. Fac fad. Okay. Theme settings, wires, and there. Okay. Okay, let's run with this for now. Now, should we have the components have a different color, or should we just have the same as the wires? Let's just try to have the same color as the wires. To have like this, to be like the main default contrast color. Okay, name, symbol, graphics, name, prefix, sheet, draw, voltage probe, fill, arrow, junction, pin. Okay, let's symbol graphics. Is that the right one? Okay, that's the symbols. Yep, not too bad. And now I see that I have the pins of the symbols. They should probably be the same color. Or should I use a contrast color for the light one? Okay, let's go for theme, settings, and then we'll find pins. Okay. So I can also go to the selected color and view the shades of this as well. Okay, interesting. This is almost white. And it goes off to orange and then to brown. Oh, where did that color go? Yeah, it probably got lost by the way this page defines different color shades here. That's fine. Okay, let's just try this one instead. Theme settings, wire. Okay, I like this one better for the wires. It's a bit softer. And for the components, what color should they be? Let's go over to the, okay, what could be similar here in the afterglow if we use that for inspiration? Well, yeah, maybe it's like the screen pastel color. Let's see if we can find that. Okay, let's unlock this and then look that, see if we can get something. Okay, that's pretty mint green. Let's check the shades here. Okay, maybe this is a bit too minty. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this for the components, or the symbols, I guess the right naming is. Symbol graphics. Okay, it's fine. Now let's try to kill off some of that red there. I think it's a bit too much when it comes to just how we're looking at it now. It's like a bit hard to grasp how it's actually gonna look. Theme settings. Maybe we can choose this one. I think this one looks a bit better. Oh, where did it go? Symbol graphics. There. Okay, yeah, I think that's better. Now let's get rid of some of the red stuff here. So the names for the components, they could be the same color. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Now, something which is quite important is the net names. But first, let's try to find. First, let's grab the color that we used for the custom theme, for the symbol graphics here, this one, and we'll bring that over to the color panel here, or the web page. There. Now unlock, no, we're gonna have this there as well, and this. Okay, so now all these four are locked. Let's see what it generates. Okay, so that's like an orange color, pink, bluish. Actually, the pink one wasn't that bad. Okay, let's see how this looks. This might look not great, but we'll see. So we'll use this color for the prefix. and the names. Okay. Okay, I think we should change the pin colors here, because that makes everything looks like a flag. Let's get the pin colors, and let's change the pin colors to the same as the wire. Pin, let's grab the wire color. There. Now, I feel like this component, the symbols here, might be a bit too different when they are in this kind of contrast. No, well, let's just keep that for now. So what we'll do is that I'm pretty sure we don't need to have like this pink color here. We can just go with this green one, and that will probably be enough to have just those colors. Let's try that. Theme settings. Let's get rid of the pink again. Oops. There. Now, what's left now? Okay. So we have the names and the net names. Yeah, those can't be in this color. It's a bit too little contrast. Theme settings. Okay, so for the it's number net label port. We'll get that there. Net flag. Okay. There. Okay. Now, should the text be more visible? Well, I'm not sure. Thing is, it's not that important. And it's okay to kind of use a bit extra attention to just read the text, because it's the wires and the components and that stuff which is important. So maybe we should just keep it like this, at least for now. Now let's see this other stuff here, which is still left in the red color. Theme settings, so voltage probe, arrow junction, sheet. I think what we could keep though is the junctions, like these dots here. Okay, now what is this called? A line? Theme settings, fill. Okay, we need to get rid of the fill. However, draw. It's probably draw. Okay, now let's grab the fill color from the background, because then it will be kind of see-through, which is fine. So you'll see down here on the TV style, it's gonna change. There. Okay, so yeah, it looks pretty trippy. It's like, if there's anything we could change, it is obviously the pins for the symbols, because when you are going to connect to it, it looks a bit weird here. Because okay, so let's try to do that as one last change. Theme settings, wire, pins. Oh, I need to grab the color first. Let's go back here, theme settings. Okay. Yeah, so, there's some lines which are still in the wrong color. This might be because they are old and there's some bug that prevents them from doing so. Actually, no, this is because they are part of the, no, they're not. This is not, I was thinking that this might be part of the inner, the outer page, I mean. Okay, let's just change this manually for now. Control C. That should work. No, Control C doesn't work. I guess that's a bug. Let's copy it from there. Okay, that worked. Let's select all of them. Yeah, I guess that's such a drawback of having, I need to have like another select color, because now I can't even see what is selected. Okay, let's get another select color. Now, what could be a nice highlight color? Let's try this. This is pretty, it's like extremely high contrast. Now, where did it go? Highlight, highlight. There, selection highlight. Okay, now it's pretty visible. Okay, so at least it makes it easy to see what you have selected. So when it comes to this, it's like you can just run experiments and see what you like, see what you don't like, and maybe it's also quite easy to change this. And if you don't like the way these are, you can obviously just change them. So there's also another way of actually finding nice colors, and that is actually to go to this color site again. Okay, let's hit this, and then we can do explore trending palettes. So these are already colors which are popular and used throughout their service. So you can save this color palette to your account, and these are the ones which have the most saves, or the trending ones. So yep, I guess that's it for now. So let's maybe if you have created a nice color palette, or you have seen someone else do it, then please share it with me in the comments, and we'll have a look at it. And that's it for this video.